All right, let's take a look at this prokaryote versus eukaryote question. A student looks under a microscope, sees a cell, sees that it has uh, cytoplasm. Well, all cells have that. It has a cell membrane. All cells have that as well, and all cells also have ribosomes. So none of those details help us answer the question. Okay, so this is a very important Venn diagram. It's on slide 24 of our notes. All cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm, DNA, and ribosomes. These two are related to making proteins, which all cells do. So the key difference here is usually almost always going to be related to this difference here, right? The prokaryotes not having membrane-bound organelles, while the eukaryotes do have them. All right, the second most common related answer is going to be where the DNA is located. Okay, in eukaryotic cells, they're right in the cytoplasm in a nucleoid region, and in eukaryotic cells, they're in this nucleus. All right, so here's a eukaryotic cell. They all have a nucleus. They have DNA inside there, and they'll have these membrane-bound organelles. One of these membrane-bound organelles that are found in all eukaryotic cells are, right? Notice what that is. All eukaryotic cells have these. Right, so that's your mitochondria. Right, so the student sees a mitochondria, you're already thinking that's a eukaryotic cell. Okay, so let's take a look at the choices. Anything that doesn't have the word bacteria is a eukaryotic cell. All right. Oh, what's the question? What type of cell is it looking at? Oh, it says it has no mitochondria. All right, so okay. All right, I'm a little confused. So it's a prokaryotic cell. We're looking for the bacteria. Uh, prokaryote. I'll see multiple right answers. Okay, so all you got to do is look for the word bacteria. All right, so this is not an answer. That's a eukaryotic cell. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells. Only bacteria are eukaryotic cells. Oh man, they're making it hard. So ER is an organelle, so that's also eukaryotic cells. It's a eukaryotic cell. That's a eukaryotic cell. That's a eukaryotic cell. And again, it's because I know this real quick because it's not bacteria. All right, so D is not the right answer. Now, process of elimination is the answer is going to be C. Now, this is super tricky, and you're not even likely to see this on your keystones. You might, but when you see binary fission, it just means one thing splitting up into two. All right, and I hope that looks familiar. That's also known as mitosis. All right, in any case, a lot of bacteria reproduce this way. They don't all do, but a lot of times they do. Right? They just one bacteria will split up and turn into two. Now this is an above average difficult question, I would say. But the answer is C because number one, you can eliminate all the other choices very clearly, and then if you still had trouble, you can connect the word binary fission with usually that's how bacteria oftentimes reproduce.